Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your POCO M7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. We got it at the bottom right here. Now we want to make sure that we clean it with something that's not metallic, because if we clean with something metallic, then we can damage the microphone port, and we definitely do not want it, because this means our microphone is dead and the only fix to it is to pay a lot of money to get it replaced. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go over and go to the system apps. Here in the system apps, there's a recorder. Usually it's this location right here. We click on this button. We want to allow recorder to record audio. Select while using the app and allow to send notifications. As you guys can see, it is working. So whenever I stop talking, those lines will go straight. And yes, they go straight. So now we can save it. We can simply leave it. And we can do that. Now, what you want to do next is we want to restart our phone, because this is a simple glitch. This is not something that requires resetting. We want to reboot our phone now, and after we reboot our phone by pressing the power button and the volume up button, everything should work. If not, then there's a last trick. So I'll see you guys once it restarts. After the restart, let me quickly enter my password. Then we're gonna go over and, as a last resort, update our software. So we want to go to the settings. Now in those settings, you guys want to go all the way up, tap about phone, and tap on the HyperOS. Now as you guys can see, it will bring you to this page right here where it automatically checks for updates. I got no updates available, so that means I am on the latest version. But if you're not, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version and to get rid of any old glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.